Hello, this is RadioKing. Here's a fresh installation of new Android radio for Volkswagen Polo 2012. We installed the new Android radio 8-core with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of ROM. How you can see, the steering controls, it's working. All steering controls are working on this car. As well, you're getting Google Maps on your, which one you can use on your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, or by the main radio. Which one you need to share the hotspot from your phone. You need to share your Bluetooth to connect to the radio. Also, you're getting the YouTube, which one works perfectly. On this radio as well, you're getting the car info. It's appearing on the main screen. You can access to the settings for your car as well. As well, the steering control setup you will get if you need to reset up the buttons. As well, you're getting the equalizer. We're gonna turn on some station, and I will show you how the DSP control works. As well, you're getting on DSP control on equalizer. You're getting any mode which one you like to use. You can use the pop, rock, soft, any vocal. As well, you're getting the surround sound, the bass boost, and the zone. Most on zone you can put the sound on the back or just on the front. All stations is working on our radio, is appearing with the name. You can save them and use it for how you would like. Any station you can save it. You have mostly 18 save spaces for saving the station. That's it. Thank you.